Hi, I'm Charlie from Charnwood, and this is our Pro Series 1421 VF heavy duty bench lathe. With a full cast iron construction and a bed width of 155mm, this bench lathe is incredibly stable and ready to tackle bowls up to 14 inch in diameter and spindles up to 18.5 inches between centres when working with our heavy duty drives. At the heart of this lathe is a powerful 1100 watt, 1.5 horsepower motor. An inverter, variable frequency drive or VFD, controls the power delivery for a superior speed control and high torque at low speeds. This level of control is demanded by professional woodturners and enjoyed by serious enthusiasts. The spindle is able to run in forward or reverse direction, with the speed controlled by a dial on the control box. A digital speed readout enables the running speed to be fine-tuned as desired. There are two speed ranges set by moving the drive belt over on the pulleys. The cam lock lever releases tension on the drive belt for faster changeovers. The control box is mounted using magnets, which allows it to be positioned anywhere along the bed, keeping it within easy reach at all times. The major components, bed, headstock, tailstock and banjo, are all manufactured from cast iron. The machine weighs in at a solid 57 kilos, over half the weight of me. The connecting surfaces are precision ground to provide a smooth sliding motion for the tailstock and tool rest. Extra strength and vibration damping comes from using a wider 155mm bed. For decorating and finishing, the headstock is also fitted with a 24-position indexing system to lock the spindle at intervals of 15 degrees around the circumference. The headstock spindle thread size is M33 3.5 DIN 800, making it compatible with our range of scroll chucks with locking screws to be used when running in reverse direction. The tailstock quill has an impressive travel of 100mm, which is really handy when boring holes using a tailstock mounted drill bit. The tool rest banjo glides along the bed and is locked using a cam action lever. The height of the tool rest can be quickly set and secured with the metal locking handle. The tool rest stem is 1 inch diameter with a reinforced 8 inch wide round steel crossbar. The rotating hand wheel fitted to the left hand side of the headstock can be removed, revealing another spindle thread of M33 3.5 DIN 800. A scroll chuck can be fitted to this side for outboard bowl turning, which increases the capacity to 468mm or 18 inches. Supplied with onboard tool storage, 4-prong drive centre, revolving tail centre, 80mm diameter faceplate, knockout bar, a pair of 41mm spindle spanners, adjustable rubber feet, 2 meters of power cable fitted with a UK 3-pin plug. An optional 3-in-1 extension bed adds a huge range of versatility, expanding the capacity of this lathe. The cast iron bed is 343mm, 13.5 inches in length, and can be fitted in 3 different positions. As an extension to the main bed, it increases the spindle capacity of the lathe to 800mm, 32 inches. As a support bed for outboard turning, it increases the bowl turning capacity to 18 inches. At right angles to the main bed, It gives more access to larger bowls, especially the rim and the back side. Also available is our optional U-leg, a strong steel universal floor stand with welded mounting plates to reduce vibration. The stand is adjustable in height and length. The floor to spindle centre height can be adjusted from 1045mm to 1270mm when used with this lathe. The 4 feet are adjustable to cope with uneven floors.